Hello and good afternoon. Today we're over here in downtown Orlando to come check out Leu Gardens because it's decorated for Christmas. You can hear there's a lot of people here taking a lot of family memories or photos, especially this glass tree that's right here behind us. We can't wait to show you what they offer. Right when you come here to Leu Gardens, this is the first thing you get to see, especially from the parking lot. There's a whole bunch of vendors here, especially where you can get snacks, hot chocolate, or just some coffee. This is what it looks like. Lights all over the place. And then of course, while you're walking along the path where Lindsay's kind of standing, that's where you can see a lot better lights. It looks like we're about to come up to other lights. It looks really cool. I can't wait to actually check them out and show you what they look like. Look at this, all of the lights walking down this trail. What we're headed to are those lights off in the distance. The icicle lights. This is gonna be so awesome. All right, look how cool this photo opportunity is. A lot of people are stopping and doing selfies. I don't blame them. Getting some photos under those would be some sick pic. That they have all these signs all over the place telling you which way to go. We're gonna go down this way for more dazzling lights. This is Lindsay's favorite bush. She's taking photos of it. I don't blame her. That has a lot of roses on that rose bush. My two nieces would love this part. Almost reminds me of Frozen. This section is for Jenna and Malia because there's a huge photo opportunity. Don't know what it is yet, but we're headed towards it, and we'll show you what to expect. Not really sure what that was. Lindsay was saying there was an ice queen and a creature of ice. Not sure, but hey, really cool for families to come and take photos. Look at this walkway. Awesome photo op. Wow. It is so awesome here, all the way around you. Now I know exactly why there is a lot of people over here. It is snowing over here. Look at that. That's so cool. Good photo opportunity here. concludes today's exploration coming to check out Leu Gardens. Lindsay, would you recommend this?
It's nice to walk around and see. It's not the best Christmas lights we've been to. I prefer Night of a Million Lights over this, but it's nice to come and do at least once on your Christmas bucket list.
It is a really unique opportunity to come out here and check out all of these lights. It's not the best, like Lindsay said. There's other ones that we have definitely checked out and got to experience. But if you did like today's exploration, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button to let us know you liked the video, and hit the notification button so you get notified every time we come out with a future video. Happy holidays, and we'll see you on the next Jolly Exploration.